Hello everyone, David here from Adoric. Welcome to today's basic demo video where we'll be showcasing some of the essential first features that you need to know so you can get started with Adoric.com. Today, we'll go over several topics starting off by who we are, meeting our wizard where we have prepared for you in advance many templates and many easy and sophisticated campaigns so you can start in a matter of seconds. From there, we'll move on to our editor and our main environment where you can totally customize any of your ads by choosing any of the topics or any of the options that you wish. And finally, we'll go over some of the settings that you need to know so that you can make your account exactly the way you want to. But first, before we dive deeper into our product, let's exactly meet Adoric and know what exactly we do. So Adoric is a conversion rate optimization tool managed to increase and grow both your sales and your lead on your shop. And by doing so, very sophisticated campaigns will be able to generate more revenue for your shop. Now that we know who we are, let's meet our wizard. So welcome to our wizard system where we have pre-prepared for you several types of campaigns, meaning certain KPIs that you will be able to create your very first ads in a matter of seconds and with a click of a button, publish them and go live on your shop. As I mentioned, we have pre-designed for you several types of KPIs and several types of campaigns so you can get started with, such as motivating new users to buy, providing them some sort of incentive to increase their sales. You'll be able to grow, as I said, your emails list. You'll be able to stop cart abandonment by notifying and reminding your users before they leave the website that they have products in their cart. In addition, you'll be able to promote special offers such as coupon codes and sales that you are having on your website. And finally, you obviously won't want to lose any of your sales. So you will be able to provide to returning users another sophisticated message indicating that yes, yet again, they have left some items in the cart and they should finalize their purchase. As we mentioned, the wizard has pre-designed many types of campaigns and thousands of templates for your choosing, starting by different layouts and different types of filters, meeting your different KPIs, growing leads, setting promotions, and any other sort of action that you wish to do. In addition to that, we have also created templates for many types of events so that you will be prepared for them at the right moments, such as Black Friday, Halloween, and so many more. So now that we've seen templates, let's go and create our first campaign. So for this demonstration, we have decided to create a new Grow My Emails List campaign. For this instance, I have seen this template starting out over here. If I like what I can see right now, I'll simply be able to click on Next and decide whether to publish it right away or to change between different templates of different versions for this type of campaign. If you wish to change a template, simply click over here and click to shuffle and you'll see many different types that you'll be able to use. Of course, we want to also match the look and feel of your website. So in that case, if you want to have the identical colors of what goes on your own shop, just click on Magic and you'll be able to adapt it to your colors so it suits your needs the perfect way possible. All of our pre-designed templates are pre-prepared for both devices, both a desktop and a mobile variation, for both the main step where your users will be leaving their email address as long as the thank you page once they have submitted it. Are you happy with what you see? Good. Simply click on Publish and you'll be able to see the very simple rules for this specific ad. For instance, in this case, our audience will be both devices, both desktop and mobile for all your users that will be on the shop. If you wish to change that, simply click on a button. In addition, our ad will appear on all the pages of your website and will be fired 7 seconds upon reaching a page. Are you happy? If so, click on Publish now. You'll get your first ad right in the air straight away. But if you wish to make any customized changes to meet your very needs, click simply on Go to Editor and continue into the editor mode where you'll be able to make those significant differences and changes you wish. Welcome to our editor system. A unique and very sophisticated, simply used drag and drop system so you'll be able to change any feature and any part of your ad so it meets your exact desire as you wish. As we saw outside, We have designed many templates for you to use, but if you wish once again to choose one of those, simply click on layout and you'll be able to choose according to the specific campaigns, such as growing leads, different variations with a click of a button that will appear right over here, and start working on that. As I mentioned, every single feature and every part of your ad is totally customizable and will be able to change with a click of a button. For instance, if you are not satisfied with this text over here, you'll be able to change anything from the color to the font to the size, line height, and any other feature that you wish so it meets your own needs. Essentially, another important part that we at Adoric have provided for you is that every part of your ad is clickable and will be able to direct it to the call to action that you wish, whether it may be a different step, a URL, to a different campaign, an email, a phone number, a WhatsApp contact, and so many more. So I can see my ad right now, and I happen to dislike this specific image that I have, and I have uploaded images of my own that I wish to use. Simply click on Uploads over here, where you have pre-prepared and uploaded some of your very own pictures. Select the one you wish, and with one click of a button, it will appear. At the same time, you'll be able to delete the one before and switch forth. Some of the very other features that you'll be able to use using our system give you so much access and give you so many different options to customize it the way you want. Starting with our icons, where you will be able to select any of the flat icons that you may wish. For instance, in this case, I would like to see a WhatsApp, where we have pre-designed for you just one click of a button, adjust the size, set it in your ad, add, if you wish, any sort of click to action, and you're set. In addition to that, we will also have for you simple Giphy options that you'll be able to use at any point of time where you wish. For instance, I'm interested right now in adding a Twitter into my campaign, but I don't wish to have it just as a Twitter Giphy. I would like to have it completely removed from its background and look just much as a sticker. And I would like to take this one. Simply click on it over here once, adjust the size once again, and set it. Now it's in your campaign. Now let's talk about this ad itself. As you can see, we're working on our desktop mode right now, where we have two steps. One with the main, as we said before, subscribing your email, and a thank you page. If you wish to add any more steps, you'll be able to do so by just clicking on add a step or removing it at once at the same time. In addition, if you are also interested in providing and creating an A/B testing mode for some of your campaigns, it is just as simple as a click of a button on duplicating the selected variation, making the adjustments on the second variation you wish, and choosing and selecting the exposure rate per each one. For instance, over here, we'll be having 50% exposure to variation 1 and 50% exposure for variation 2. Now that I can see my ad, I wish to also edit perhaps a little bit of the background. Simply click on the background and perhaps you'll be able to change any sort of color or adapt the opacity so it may lead you in the best way possible. So we like our ad. Now let's decide what position it would exactly be on your page itself. We have provided you with a matrix so you can decide exactly where you want your ad to show on the page. But for the more advanced users out there, we will have the option of an in page where your ad will just appear between the lines of your shop on a specific page where you would select. But for that, please go and visit our knowledge base at our help center to read so many articles and videos so you may get started with that as well. Now let's look at the part of our form where we have created. In our form, we will be able to add so many different fields, such as an email, a phone, a name, and so many others, and just edit any single one of them with every click on a button. Once we are happy with the form that we have created, we now wish to decide to where to send the information. As a default, our integration sends your leads straight back into our system, where you'll be able to see on the home page of your account, which we'll be visiting later on. But if you have any other EMS system that you wish to send your leads to, such as MailChimp, Salesforce, and many others, just simply click on a button With a simple integration, you'll be able to get started and send your leads to the desired location. As we can see over here, we have decided to work now on our desktop variation. If we wish to change and move it to the mobile, simply click on the button over here and create mobile, and you'll see the exact same right over here for the mobile, where you as well will be able to make all the adjustments necessary so you get the ad the way you want it. Are you happy for your design, both for mobile and for desktop? Perfect. Now let's determine which of your audience are going to be exposed to the campaign and which not by simply clicking on audience. If you wish to send it to all audience without any rules, you'll be able simply to click on all audience. But if you wish to go a little bit deeper in and choose type of visitors, perhaps maybe returning visitors or a different traffic source, a language, or any other system that you wish, simply click over here and determine the desired that you need. Now that you have established your audience, let's go to the final stage where you can determine the different rules for the appearance of your new ad, starting with a trigger. We have created for you different types of triggers so your ad will appear. Starting with a time frame, page scroll, you'll be able to also determine that your ad would show through an exit intent. In addition, you'll be able to determine which URLs exactly on your site you'll be able to place your ad, whether it can be on all pages or specific ones. You will also be able to change the frequency in which your ad is shown and how you close your campaign. If you're happy with your campaign and you wish to publish it straight away, simply click on Publish, and according to all the designated rules that you have provided, your ad will appear. You have also got the option to schedule the campaign to a later stage of your choosing by just clicking over here and continuing the steps. So now that we have published a campaign, we go back to our main page of the home page of the account, where you can see all the essential information that you need, starting with your campaigns, the different analytics, the leads, and so much more. So let's dive a little bit deep into each one of them. As we go into the campaign page, you'll be able to see the campaigns, all the different types, and what current status they are at. You'll be able to see what devices they are on, how many impressions they might have, and what are their data. If you wish to get a little bit more deeper analytics, simply click on Analytics and you'll be able to see anything from impressions to clicks and so many more according to a specific date range that you will choose over here. In addition, all your information is totally simply exported through a CSV at one click of a button. As we discussed earlier, when we were creating our newest campaign, we saw that our leads were defaultedly integrated into our system. So if that may be the case and you have sent your leads to Adoric, simply click on Leads over here and all your leads will appear once they have started. For a final step of our process, if you wish to adjust any of the settings associated to your account at any time given moment, you'll be able to do it through the Settings tab over here, changing anything from limitations, your brand colors and look and feel, and so much more. I hope this video helped you out, but if you have any other additional questions, please visit our help center and our knowledge base to see so many videos and articles so they may help you. Have a great day. Thank you.